Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Today we have a Mercedes Benz. Together we are going to know what kind of Mercedes, and the problem is the two headlight was replaced. It's not the complete headlight with the modules. Mercedes Benz sell the headlight housing and the module are different. So here is the car. As you see here, 2017 GLE. Let's diagnose it first if there is any problem, and then we can come. I'm using my Maxi 608 and I will go to diagnose. I will go to diagnose here. There is a software active on it before. I'm gonna go back. When you change the headlight, you have to program the headlight. If you have, if you only bought a I've got to go by VIN number. If you only have the headlight housing, you can. If nothing happened to the headlight, we have to change the control units, that from the old one to the new one, and everything will be okay. So this is a car. I will say okay. I will say okay. And it's 2017 gasoline GLE 292. Okay, I will say yes. And now what do you need to do? If you need to go to the programming, you have to click here, and you have to be online, power have to be high, and you go with it. But now I just want to go here and check if I have any codes related to headlight left or headlight right. And then from there we will be guided, or we can have an idea. But if you notice here, I don't have no message saying that the headlight have an issue. You see, even it's in auto, or put it in auto, nothing is come up because the sun. But I'm gonna leave it on here, and then I will look at the result. So stay with us. We are 30% and see what happened. Okay, we are coming back. The auto detect for control unit is already there. I'm connecting to the car. If you notice here also, here we have minus 40 degrees. That means outside of the car there is something called what they call some temperature sensor. Believe me, I forget the name. Just please remind me what that name is. But ambient temperature sensor. Ambient temperature sensor is the sensor that's sitting in front of the hood, and it will read the air around you. If this thing go minus 40, most of the time the air condition, the compressor will not work, because it thinks that you are in as minus 40 degree, and it will not kick on. It's available in Nissan, some cars. Yeah, this one, it will help. It will send signal to the air condition module here, and it will stop the compressor from working. Why? Because if it's outside, it's minus 40. Why I have to put the AC compressor on? So just put it in consideration when you put it in. For most of the cars, check this one. Now I'm going to do a complete scan to reset everything, or we can see what we need on this car. And this car have a lot of computers from 2017 Mercedes-Benz. If you check it now, it will be really big. Also, we are here for the headlights that been replaced. I will go outside while the computer do the diagnosis and reset, which may take a quick test. It may take a little bit of time. I'm going outside to show you how the headlight look and what you need to do in case you have a problem. Okay, we're gonna leave this one in progress, the testing, and I'm coming in the front here. If you are going to put those headlights in a car, this is a brand new headlight, and this is the other one. What you need to do before you put the headlight in, if you notice in this corner here, we have the barcode. You need those two barcodes to scan it, to write it back when you try to program the headlight. But Okay, after you put it in, you see where it is. It's sitting all the way there. And it's not easy for you to reach it with the scanner and to read the barcode. So sometimes just scan each of it and keep it. Maybe after that you will be able to read it for it. In some cars, you see like this car here, the headlight is still good. You see here? The headlight almost good, but this bracket broke. See, the bracket here broke. So what they do is they bought a complete unit. Don't buy aftermarket. Sometimes, believe me, it give you a hard time. You see, this is a left side headlight. Okay. And also, if you notice here, this one here also, this bracket broke. So what happened is, you're gonna buy a complete unit like this from the dealer. It's coming exactly like this. You see it? You're gonna put it in, but if when you bought it, it's coming like this. So you're gonna take this piece here and you're gonna put it here, and you're gonna take the one in the corner, which I don't know if I can see it. Okay, this is one in the top, and one is in the top. The one in the top is maybe, or maybe it's on the bottom. I'm not sure, but there is two modules. Okay, yes, you see there, this is the one in the bottom, and you have one here, this for the signal for me, and this one, sometime you see this one here. All the module that is coming in this car, try to take it out slowly and put it into the new unit. But if the car get hit, for example, if this car, this is a left side, or this is a right side headlight. If the car get hit here and this crack, or there is a crack here, water will get into directly to those modules that in the bottom, for example, or in here, and it will destroy the module. If you have this car get hit and you see that your headlight cracked, please right away get a plastic bag and wrap this one. Wrap it quickly and leave it wrapped. Why? Because if you don't do that, this is actually sitting this way. You see this computer here is sitting there. So if I turn it upside down, anything crack from here, water will go inside and it will settle right away here. And it's gonna damage this module for you and damage the connector and all this stuff. So as soon as you have any damage, this is usable again, I believe. Please. Sorry, this is not mine. Okay. As soon as you see that thing happen, you're gonna remove those, transfer them into this place here, as you see. As soon as you transfer them, this unit by itself, it doesn't, most of the time, I believe, it doesn't require any configuration, any programming, anything. You go inside, read the data, and if there is any code, delete the codes. But before you put it also, be sure that you read all the information, and after that, do the programming. If it doesn't need any programming, but try to go and read all the information and see if there is any code related to electrical or headlights or anything, to delete them. I'm gonna go do the report now. On the report, you're gonna see a lot of SRS, supplemental restraint system, airbag. I don't know what I have on the airbag system. The airbag light is gone. I don't have nothing. So those kind of codes are there, and those codes are there, and they cause some problem for you. So I'm gonna go down. You see, I don't have no codes at all till now. I have a little bit of code here, but those will not affect the car, and our headlights are good. I don't have any code that related to the headlight, but at least clear all these codes. Any code that you see the
Let me put you outside now. Let me just park in some cars and they will stay outside.
I have like 3 minutes, 4 minutes
again?
before, yeah, like 5 minutes before I finish.
Okay.
So just let me finish with it. Close the door for me. So right now, as you see here, we don't have like camera front. There are some codes, but because the car is not all assembled, I'm gonna finish with this one and I will clear all these codes. You see all this code, I will clear it and then we take it from there. So I'm gonna escape here and I'll turn the key off, ignition on again, and I will erase all the key, quick erase. So we know that this car have like modules. If the accident is not big and strong, remove all the modules from the headlight that is get messed up and transfer it to the housing. That piece is housing and the module will be programmed to the old car and it will work. And clear all the codes and you're good to go. The other messages or some other stuff is not yet set up, so be sure that you set up everything and you're good to go. This piece here, don't push it. If you push it, this is to call 911 inside an accident or you need a service, and you're gonna get an answer right away. It will be activated. So right now I'm reading the information. Please subscribe, share, and like. What we learn from this, if you have any problem, try as fast as possible to cover the headlights to save those computers. Maybe you just need the headlight and brackets. And this is for the Mercedes-Benz 929 GLE gasoline car. It could be for all other cars. Part could be different, but this is the only way that we can do to get it right. You see now, I don't have no faults at all. Right now, everything clear, but I have the camera. I have the camera and I have some signal actuation. I have 2 cameras, and I believe there are some stuff that are not there. It could be because of that. I will give you the codes. Okay, you're gonna see one code here. Let me see after the line. We will get the. You see here, say some signal acquisition actuation. An electric fan exists in the outside temperature sensor. Signal is below Shroud. An electrical fault exists in the outside temperature sensor. A signal is below the permission limit. Here it is. P00708, and I believe that is for this code. They need to put it in. And then we have another 2 code. Control module for 360 camera is faulty. Calibration is absent. We have a calibration for the control module. I may not be able to do this one. I believe they're gonna tell camera at the front end is faulty. General electrical fault. The 360 camera at the front end is faulty. Maybe it's been disconnected. It's not there. We cannot say anything about it, but everything will look okay now. Hopefully the information is beneficial. Please subscribe, share, and like. And if you see any problem, feel free to ask. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Thank you.